What is happening, everybody? TC here with Smoky Mountain Knife Works, SMKW.com, and today another EDC with TC. We're doing EDC under 250.
Dad, you know everyone needs a flashlight.
She's not wrong. We all need a flashlight. Thank you, kid. Right. So folks, there you have it. We've got EDC under 250. I've gone through the store, went shopping, and put together my picks for an EDC under 250. And since Nora brought me that flashlight, and since everybody knows you need a flashlight, we're going to start with that flashlight, and that is the STREAMLIGHT Pocket Mate. Now, I've talked about this one on the channel before. Let's go over the specs on this one right here. So this one's really cool. It's coming in at just $26.99. It's a very small, very compact, nice little keychain flashlight. You can put it on your keys. You can put it on a lanyard and put it in a pocket. It'll fit in a fifth pocket. It's USB rechargeable, 325 lumens max, and you're talking a runtime of 20 minutes at 325 lumens or 1 hour at 45 lumens. I mean, that's a really, really good runtime for something this small, this compact, and it's going to be bright enough to where you can actually use it. But it's not going to break the bank, and it's going to be very useful. So $26.99 on that one. That's your first piece of EDC equipment for this budget. Next up is going to be the modern folder. So what I did with this one is I tried to make as complete of an EDC as I could for me. And that would be a flashlight, a folder, a multi-tool, and a fixed blade. The folder that I picked is that BOKER KAIZEN. Let's take a look at that one right there. So this is another great deal and one that I absolutely love right here. So this one's coming in with S35VN on the blade steel. Closed length is 4 inches. It is a liner lock. White G10 on this one, but we've got several different colors available. This one's definitely the Stormtrooper version right here. Nice, I mean, very generous sized handle, but it's still going to be very unobtrusive and very unassuming. Like if you want to use this as like an executive carry in a nice suit or something, but it's still going to be heavy duty enough and a nice premium blade steel right there. And it's even got a flat pommel, so it'll stand up like that. And I love the large, generous lanyard loop right there. And this one's coming in at just $69.99. $69.99. You get a premium blade steel, G10 handles. I mean, that's a really, really great deal right there. And that's why I included it on this EDC under 250. Now, moving right along to that fixed blade, because I am definitely a stickler for always carrying a fixed blade. I love having a folder and a fixed blade. I love the versatility that offers. And the one that I picked is going to be the CRKT S.P.E.W. Alan Folt's design. Let's take a look at that one right there. Now again, with the versatility, I love what this offers. I've actually been wearing a neck knife a lot lately. I'm not today, but I have been wearing a neck knife a lot lately, and this one offers the ability to wear it as a neck knife, but it also comes with a belt clip too that you can attach to that sheath, and it's got the G10 handles, D2 on the blade steel, which I absolutely love in an EDC blade. You guys know how much I love D2 as a blade steel. And this is our exclusive with the OD green, gold hardware. Comes with the lanyard in the back. And that one's coming in right now at just $42.99. Regular price is $52.95. Right now it's on sale for $42.99. If you get them while you can, as of the filming of this, it's $42.99. It might go back up to $52. We'll see. But still, a great deal for an EDC fixed blade right there. So right now, we're up to about 150-ish, and we've got a multi-tool. So we've got another $100 to play with. What did I go with? Leatherman curl right here. Now, this is a fantastic EDC multi-tool, and it's been a staple of the Leatherman series for a really long time, and there's a reason for that. So it comes with the nice heavy-duty nylon sheath right there, has the pocket clip, which is removable. You can take that off right there, open this up, and this is, again, like I said, a great EDC multi-tool right there. Very classic design, looking really old school. It's got the ruler built in right there. You're of course going to have your blades. You're going to have all your accessories right here. You've got your awl, you've got your flathead, you've got your scissors back here, right there, which I'm a big stickler for. I think you should always carry scissors. And this is the reason that I picked the curl itself. So this one has the ability to use their proprietary bits, or what I really like and what I carry is adding the bit driver to this multi-tool. And so you can use the bit driver with this multi-tool. I think that is a fantastic option. That's coming in at just an extra 26 bucks. And I'm not adding that on this one, but that's something you can add at a later date and really improve the versatility of this multi-tool. And this one's coming in at $89.95. You got your straight blade right there. Then you've got your file right there. I think this is a great option for an EDC multi-tool. And that completes my EDC under 250. And I ended up well under 250. I think I totaled it up, and we're talking somewhere in the neighborhood of like 226 was what I totaled this all up at before tax. So that's some great options. Let us know what you think in the comments down below about our EDC under 250. I think this really gets you a great EDC package under 250 bucks. Let us know if there's something you would have rather seen. What would you have swapped these out for? Would you have done a different modern folder? Would you have done a different fixed blade? Would you have done a different multi-tool or flashlight? Let us know in the comments down below. As always, folks, it's me, TC, here with Smoky Mountain Knife Works, SMKW.com. And remember, if it cuts like an EDC with TC, then we carry it. Because I did the rest of the videos, I did the other ones, and everybody wanted me to have a flashlight in the video. Well, this time I put the flashlight in the video, and I had you giving it to me. And they're gonna laugh at me.